Right, hello. Today I'm going down to a place called Shackleton. I'm going to look at some abandoned trains, some old locomotives and carriages. It's a bit of a drive away, but I'll see you when I get there. Oh, I've just stood in cow shit. Right, I'm here. Shackleton, disused railway. I can just see the carriages now. I don't know if you'll be able to see them on this picture. The row on there on that embankment. Yeah, it's a bit off the beaten track this. It's basically an old railway line. It's not used anymore. This half from here, from Shackleton down, is it's just full of parked up carriages and trains, as far as I'm aware. And then when you get to the end, well, halfway down it, there's a like a repair shed and things, and then the track either opens up and there's actually a museum, and they run steam trains up and down the length of the line that's left to it. I don't know exactly how far it is, but yeah. So I'm just trying to find a way onto the railway line now. This gate looks promising, but I'll be back in a minute when I find my way in. There, going back straight away. Yeah, I've come through this gate, and as you can see there, it's an old railway bridge. It's not very wide, so I'm thinking it might just be a single track looking at it. This is really old. Ooh. So that way it goes up onto the railway track. That's where I want to be, really. So I think I might just climb up there and have a look at. Right, I've scaled up that wall over there onto the bridge. I'm walking across the top of the embankment now. There's no sign of railway lines, but I've just found this badger set. Like that. Telltale signs. They're bigger than that. There's another one there, look. Another one. Oh, that looks like somebody's been trying to dig them out there. Whew. Flick this bush. Now, I'm not going to be getting through there, am I? Fucking hell. Looks like I'm going to have to go back down the hill and try further down. Whew, I've made it. Only downside is, in the process I've got absolutely covered in shit. So I guess I was going to be driving home in his boxer shorts at this rate. and his bare feet. So yeah, we made it. That field is like straight swamp down there. Check this out though, it was worth it. That is awesome. Shit, I can hear somebody. Right, I've cleaned all shit off my leg best I can. Luckily it's only cow shit. Right, let's get on with this explore. As you can see, railway track ends there. So if you come down here at speed, you'd take off. But these are awesome. These are old intercity carriages. Must have been one of the first generation. As you can see, it says on it 100 mile an hour. Max speed. Weight 32 tons. She's a beast. I think you can get in some of them. These all look pretty well. Oh, as you can see, that's padlocked up. So yeah, there's an intercity carriage. This thing, it's like one of them old wooden ones off a Western film. Yeah, wooden carriage. This is awesome. There we go. 1956 Metro Channel. They've got that old train smell about them as well. I don't know if you know anything about trains or you've been around old trains. They have like a woody diesel kind of smell. Oh yeah, look at that. It's boarded up, that one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down, see what there is, and then see if I can have a climb on some room, because it's quite a bit of a way up to find out that door's locked on it. That looks padlocked. Whew. You walk through them ones, they're open. Cool. Oh wow, that's an engine. I can hear a steam train down there, or a blowtorch. Sounds like some sort of vehicle. That's awesome. Look, another locomotive. I bet these are all locked. We'll just have a try. I didn't bring my multi-tool with me. Where's it rather go? Bits of wood behind them, bastard. Oh shit, oh, there's a bloke down there. Shoot. not going to get down there without walking past all these guys. So, best bet is to simply walk down and just might just have a look at some of the trains. As you can see, big old locomotive. Whew. It's a shame we can't get in them. There's two guys down there. He might be alright from a University of Strathclyde. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Man, smell of shit. Well, it looks like he's working on this one. Perhaps they're scrapping for spares or something. Whew. Whew.
What the fuck are you doing down here?
Told you. I was just going to ask you if I'm allowed to be on here.
You're fucking not. Now fuck off where you've come from.
You don't have to talk to me like that.
You shouldn't be down here.
I didn't know that. I just
And
thought.
fuck off where you've come from.
Alright,
You're fucking trespassing and it's criminal trespass.
I didn't know that.
Fuck off where you've come from.
Alright, I'll walk back where I came. I was just coming.
Fuck off back where you come
All I
from.
want to do is take some photos.
I don't give a flying fuck now. Fuck off.
You know.
You shouldn't be down here.
There were no signs saying no.
No, it's a fucking railway. You know you're trespassing. Now fuck off.
I didn't think it were alive.
Fuck off.
I didn't think it were alive.
Fuck off.
I just saw trains from a distance and thought I'd come and have a quick look. I didn't think it was. I didn't know it was private. I'm sorry.
You know.
How do I know?
You know. Go on.
There's no signs
Fuck
saying
off.
it's private.
It doesn't have to be
There's no
signs.
fences.
It's a railway.
I didn't think it was line.
Just fuck off. I'm not arguing with you. You know you're fucking trespassing.
So-
You know you shouldn't be down here. Now just go where you fucking come.
If it were live railway, you'd have an IV on for starters. Who can I speak to get permission then?
Well, I'm one of the directors, so I'm not going to give you permission. So you can absolutely guarantee that.
Alright. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you.
Well, you're fucking trespassing. Why didn't you email the railway? Can I go and ask?
Because I just come past, walking past, and I just thought.
Yeah, right. Just don't tell me you wandered down here with that fancy camera kit just on off chance.
It's only a GoPro and some lights.
Yeah. You're just talking shit. I'm no such fucking idiot.
What's wrong with people seeing these trains though?
There's nothing wrong with it, mate. It's the fact that you're fucking trespassing without asking. I've no problem showing people around who email the railway. Trespassers I've got absolutely no time for at all.
So is it-
None whatsoever.
So is it charity based? If we make a contribution? Then...
No, I don't give a monkey's now. You trespassed. You should have asked before.
Alright.
You'd have got a whole lot more cooperation.
Oh, I'm sorry to upset you, I didn't mean to.
And put on your urban exploring sites that anybody that's met down here will get fucked off as well.
Well, that's why I come down, because there's
Because you saw it in an urban exploration site who were also trespassing.
Oh, I didn't so done.
Oh yeah, as if they were.
Well, yeah, we by rule we don't break in and we don't trespass.
Well, you do. You are.
We do.
You
All
are.
I
If you're on any railway, you're trespassing, and it is criminal. It's not civil.
All I read was that it was a
Yeah,
abandoned railway.
trespass.
And
Go on, look off where you come from. You're not even fucking a public footpath across that field. The
why
footpath.
is the gate away across
The
it?
footpath goes across there.
Oh, that's why
Doesn't
I
go
was
anywhere near the
walking,
railway.
That's why I was walking.
So you trespassed across his field as well.
Yeah, I think the other guys must have done it come down on a Sunday or something when nobody
No,
was
we're
here.
here 7 days a week now because of people like you. So
Well, the plan was to come and have a look at these and then go and see the museum. Like,
well, it's not open on a Friday anyway. You would probably want to come back on a Saturday if you were talking any sort of real sense, but in terms of that, you know, you're talking shit, because you know that no railway would be open on a Friday at this time of year anyway.
I thought it was just
mate,
a piece
you're
of track.
Just talking crap.
Honestly, I swear
Honestly,
to you.
mate,
No, listen to me. I swear to you, I thought it was a piece of track with train
wanted
park.
to visit, they'd come down on a Saturday or a Sunday, not on a Friday afternoon.
It,
at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
It took,
Mate,
it took me an hour and a half to get here.
I couldn't give a monkey's it took you 6 hours.
Alright, I'm just saying the track was cut off
Mate,
here. So I
you're
just
talking
assumed
crap.
it's just a
I've heard it all
strand.
before. If you'd have emailed the railway, we could have sorted you out, but you didn't.
Alright, well, I'll know for next time, don't I? So there you have it. As you can see, the guy wasn't happy. They'd not seen me, and I had the choice of going, either waiting till they'd gone or making myself known, and I was taking the risk of they'll either chuck me off or they'll say, yeah, fine, have a look round. I was going to offer to make a donation to the charity, like I'd give him 30 or 40 quid or something to let me look round. But as soon as he saw me, he went from 0 to 100. He was not happy. I didn't like the way he spoke to me at all. I was ready to. I was like, do I punch this guy, or not? And end of the day, I'm in the wrong. He's in the right. And I empathise with him. So for me to become aggressive towards him, no matter how he spoke to me, would have been wrong. And obviously it's not worth it. I try to resolve a conflict, not intensify it. I don't want to get into a fight with this guy. If he'd have come in and approached me any other place, any other time, acting like that, then it'd have been different. But I'm on on his turf. I am trespassing if it's private. It's not a live railway, so that were just bollocks they were talking. But end of the day, I'm in the wrong and he's in the right, and you know, I just thought it's easier just to walk away with my tail between my legs, you know, be apologetic. I was hoping it was going to be alright, but you can't, you know, you can't predict how people are going to react. If I'd have known that it were going to be like that, then I would have just hid until they'd all gone and then gone back. But yeah, so the guy wasn't happy at all, and it was a bit of a shame, really. Maybe go back another time when I know they're not going to be there or whatever. Because I know if I contacted them and asked to have a look, they wouldn't let me look round. They'd just give me the same shit about it being a railway and I shouldn't be on there, and so yeah. And and that was that. Well, as you can see from that, this is why urban explorers tend to just trespass and don't bother asking permission, because cockheads like that are in charge and they don't have any. You know, I went up and walked up to him and literally said, I'm alright to have a walk around and film. And immediately he's like, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. He's lucky that I didn't fucking put him on his ass, to be honest, but last thing I want to do is be getting myself in trouble. So, might have a bath in this, look. You know, perhaps not. Yeah, complete cockhead. Absolutely cockhead. Come storming over, start shouting abuse, trying to give me some shit like it's a real railway. Well, it's not. Otherwise they'd have an eye on if it were dangerous. He's talking bollocks. Yeah. So yeah. He guaranteed if I'd have sent him an email asking if I can have a look round, he'd have told me to fuck off as well. So yeah. Just unfortunate that I caught them on a day when they were there. If I'd have probably waited a few hours later, they'd have probably all gone home. But hey ho, this is a struggle of urban exploration. I've travelled about an hour and 20 minutes to get here, and as you can see, there's no signs that say no trespassing, there's no fences, there was no signage at all telling me not to be on there, saying it's private. So he's probably just talking shit, to be honest. But there you go. So I'm going to have a look on my map and see if there's anything else around here while I'm here. And I'm covered in shit again. Yeah. Best thing to do in that situation is just diffuse it. Don't escalate it. You know, if he'd come and said that to me on the street when I was doing anything else, I'd have told him to fuck off before I kicked granny after him. But yeah. He's plus they're holding a pair of bolt crappers, so it could have ended, you know, if he'd have swung them at me, it could have ended badly, couldn't it? So yeah, nice guy. I'll thing is, he wasn't even the type of guy you could communicate with. It was just no. There was no talking to him. He was like, he went from 0 to 100 in a second, and he stayed there. So yeah, fuck him. Trials and tribulations. This is like I said, this is urban exploring for you. The thing is, there's that many people doing it at the moment, vandalising. It's a lovely buddly, look at that butterfly in there. Butterfly enough, little bastards. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, very nice guy. Thing is, if he'd have said, when I asked him about did he take donations, well, I'd have probably given him 30-40 quid as a donation just to have a walk around. But he went having none of it, were he? To be honest, it looked like he got special needs or something, to be honest. But there you go. So onwards to the next.